Hello, it's Miss Kim from Play and Learn. Today we're going to be talking about the sights, smells, sounds, taste, and feels of summer. I can't wait to go on a scavenger hunt with you, but first I'm going to read you a little story about our 5 senses. Today we're going to read the book, I Hear a Pickle, and smell, see, touch, and taste it too. This is a book about your 5 senses. It's one of my favorite. You may have heard me read this before. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I see with my eyes. I touch with my fingers. I taste with my tongue. Hear. I hear the birdie. Bzz, bzz. I hear the bee. Uh-oh. I don't hear the worm. I hear the seagull. Caw, caw. I hear the ocean. Crash. I hear the waves. Those are all sounds we hear in the summer. I hear Grandma. We hear music. We dance. Bang, bang, bang. I hear the drums. I hear the fridge hum. I hear my cat purr. I hear the vacuum. Vroom. I hear the traffic. Honk, beep, honk. I hear the rain. I hear the thunder. Boom. I don't hear the snow falling. Do you think that we would see snow in the summer? What season would we see snow in? I hear the crowds. Hooray, hooray! I hear my hip. Whack! And I hear the cheering. Smell. I smell soap. I smell Mommy's pretty perfume. I smell my blankie. I love my blankie. I smell the baby's poopy. Woo! I smell my big brother's sneakers. Woo! I smell bread. I'm hungry. I smell toast. Whew, it's burnt. I smell the pizza. Yum. I smell the cheese. Stinky. I don't smell. I have a cold. Why didn't you think he can smell when he has a cold? Is his nose stuffy? I smell the rain. I smell the grass. I don't like to smell the cow poopy. Woo! I smell the flowers. Those are nice to smell. I see. I see the airplane up so high. The lamp is on. I see. The lamp is off. I don't see. It's dark. What makes the lamp work? I see my books. I read to Henry. I don't see the words in my book. I wear my glasses. I see the words. I don't see the flowers grow. Do you think that you could see the flower grow over time though? Maybe in a week you might see a difference, but not just like every second that you look at it. You should try it. I see Charlie. I see snow. I I don't see my mitten. Why? Do you think his mitten is covered up? I see the moon. I see the stars. I make a wish. Have you ever made a wish on a star before? I see the bunny. It hops. I see the turtle's shell, but I don't see the turtle. Where is the turtle at? I see fireworks. What else can you do? You see the fireworks? Can you hear the fireworks? Sounds loud, doesn't it? Bye-bye. There goes his balloon. I see my balloon. Do you think that he can watch the balloon as it goes up in the sky? Touch. I touch the friendly dog. I touch my birdie. I don't touch the fish. Why do you think that he doesn't touch the fish? Maybe the fish might hurt the fish if we touched him. I touch the sand. That's fun. I make a castle. I touch the rain. I don't touch the cactus. It's prickly. Ouch! Some things kind of hurt when we touch them, don't it? I touch my brother's foot. He laughs. I don't touch my brother's boo-boo. Oh, I don't touch the plug. No, that's an ouch. I touch the lollipop. Ooh, it's sticky. I touch the egg. Oops. Did it break? Do you think it made a loud sound? I don't touch the stove. Oh, it's hot. I touch the cupcake. I touch the worm. Slimy. I don't touch the painting. It's wet. What do you think would happen if he touched the wet paint? Maybe it would get onto his fingers and be hard to get off? I touch the bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. Now that's a fun thing to do in the summer. Taste. I taste the pretzel. I taste the watermelon. I taste the hot dog. I wait to taste the oatmeal. Whew, it's hot. Which of those is your favorite thing to taste? Something salty or sweet? Spicy? I taste the crackers. The birds do too. I taste the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I taste a jelly sandwich because I'm allergic to peanut butter. It's always good to ask your mom first before you taste something. I taste the spaghetti and meatballs. My favorite. I can't wait to taste cake. After dinner. Why does he wait until after dinner to taste the cake? I taste the ice cream. My dog likes it too. Now you can see the pickle. I taste the pickle. It's sour. I smell the pickle. It's spicy. I see the pickle. It's green. I touch the pickle. It's slippery. I hear the pickle. Crunch. Maybe you could taste a pickle, touch a pickle, hear a pickle, touch a pickle, see a pickle, too. Let's go on a scavenger hunt together. Can you find something that smells nice? Can you find something to look at? Can you find something that tastes good? Can you find something that feels bumpy? Can you find something that sounds nice? and we hear the bird. I love to hear the birds. Well, I hope you had fun going on a scavenger hunt with me. Maybe you can look around your area where you live and see how many sights, sounds, smells, feels, and have your mom fix you something good to taste for summer. Maybe you could take a picture and send it to me. I'd love to see what you're up to. Till next time, goodbye. See you again. Good